How to fix Rave Netflix. So in the Rave app now you can't sign in with Netflix anymore. So this is a recent bug. Everything was working perfectly until like a week ago. Now you just can't sign in. So as with previous bugs in the Rave app, I would just suggest you to basically follow the updates with the Rave app and just update as soon as possible. So that's the only way to fix it. Like you just need to keep on with the updates and try to update it. Usually, Rave app, it's not that fast with fixing the bugs. It can take up to a month or so, and then basically you can just go and just update. Hopefully, they will fix the bug. If it's not fixed within like few months or a few weeks, I would suggest you to try some alternatives like Hero and or Weaver. So these are like the closest apps to Rave which you can try. Try those then.